inside the MCS cruise ship. We're here in Marketplace Cafeteria, but still closed right now. Sarado pa ang buffet. Start siya 6 o'clock. Lawak oh. Ito ang all-day dining nila. This is the all-day dining. You can actually go here. This outside. Let's have a look outside. Open ba to? Yes, you can go outside. Have a view. Take the view. Wow. Abu Dhabi Port. Sa Abu Dhabi Port na tayo. Wow. Look. Tayo sa cruise. Sa Abu Dhabi. At Abu Dhabi City. Itong Abu Dhabi guys. Let's go back. Mamaya kain na ako, gutom na ako. It's nice. Ang lawak guys, di ba? Beverage section. Ang laki, di ba? Ito another way. Ang haba na to guys, sobrang haba. Taas natin, no? Ayun si Bucci, oh. Si Bucci nandoon, nakapark. Super haba guys. Mamaya mapuputo na, bibidyohan kapag puno na. Prepare pa lang kasi sila. Itong style ng dining sa cruise ship. Yung mga table. Preparation pa lang. Getting ready for the dinner. Ito. Getting ready for the dinner. Ito na ang hot food preparation. Guys, ito ang area nila. Almost ready na. Almost ready.